I'm blind.
We have Luther, Mugi.
Yeah, Emiri is looter. You can trade also with battle mount. Yo, Marlika trade the loots to the battle mount right now.
Oh no, don't say battle mount. If we lose, they can back bro.
I mean, it's fine. You just need portal then. We just go back together. But give it to Emiri then. The loots. Yo, Marlika, get ready. We're gonna go other zone. Southwest.
Everyone come to me, man.
Mantap now.
Mount.
Dude, I like this Judy helmet, you know. Just higher chance of dying, but you know, it's fun to use. Come Southwest then. We go to Griffin Empire and Pure Gold.
Ang ina nag-OC kayo?
Want me to catch them?
Yeah.
Sabi,
If you can catch them.
Nag-call.
Ay,
Hindi nga rin sana ako mag-OC.
Come Southwest.
Call
ba? Okay.
Season.
Hindi natin
Just
maano
figuring
yan.
in, ano. Veil. That's their main. That's a level 3 HO. They should be banking there.
Hindi, ano rin kasi, parang mas sandwich ata tayo dun. Kaya,
Yung Kuma? Yung Japan pala? Sorry.
hindi, yung
Ay,
ano,
Joker.
yung,
Yeah.
oo, tsaka yung GE.
Guys. There's a FK guy here. Bepo. Everything on him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on him. Yo, kill Pantera also. He's just north side. What the fuck? Why is he back
Why
in
mo pala
Black
tong
Pearl?
Black Pearl na to?
Kill Pantera. Fucking back him. Yo. No. Alright. Zone. Come Santos. Yo, listen, Pingy, there's still 100 people, right? Together. There's a 50-15. Nobody has demasked yet. Okay.
Let's go!
Come Southwest then. Yo,
Same shit pag brawling tayo, pag nagpo-push through tayo, retreat nyo yung mga demon armors nyo. Okay?
Recon's almost 16 now. Okay.
Yung mga defensive ko, ganito na lang gawin natin. Since alos tatlo lang tayong mga
Someone ahead of me? Is someone ahead of me? Can you catch this? Whoever. Can you catch this? If you can. On ping. Whoever. I think there's a battle mount scouting.
Ito rin,
Nobody-
may def sa likod.
Is nobody here? Is nobody in the front? Is someone in lake?
Lot.
Yeah, Dandy, drop the
Just
banner.
not dito sa
Drop the
likod.
banner. Okay, just hold.
Saan yung isang ano red?
Oh my
Ito,
god, he's
dito.
the scouting. Yo, can we catch that battle mount? Yo, listen, I need a scout on that battle mount. Bro, they're battle mount scouting.
33% holding northwest
They're 33%. Yo, matab. Okay. Come right to
Don't
us.
they
ready
to check OC.
Yeah, come right. DOC, dog, come right then.
Mount up.
Yo, I'm gonna pull them to Terry,
Mount up
okay? I'm gonna pull them to the bridge. Everyone come north.
Another blob.
Yeah, I see it. It's probably Joker.
Mugi, do I stun banner?
Can you tell Bulan Bintang to just hit backline of enemy
Okay.
later? If
Yeah,
they
4Q.
come.
No, they're going like no. They lost a lot against.
Naka-dismount.
It's fine.
Naka-dismount si Mo.
It's fine.
Yeah.
They OC'd already, right? Okay. You get ready to fight, boys. Wake up.
Where's Mugi? North side?
This
South,
niggas
south,
are
south,
waiting.
southeast.
Tell me if they full zone.
South.
Yo, can we start smashing this walls here?
Oh, sakit ng balikat.
I will go
Let's
ahead.
get.
Tatay na nito ni Pantera.
Bonk. Wala pa rin akong hammer. Putang ina. Okay, guard run to. Guard run 3 na ako susunod
Ako to.
Ay, ikaw na ba? Guard run 3 na ako Okay, guard run 3.
Tell me if they zone. They're just holding, right?
Holding.
2 na dapat. 2.
2.
I have 96 online. If I can get more clap DPS and brawlers to come in and healers also. I have 96 online for some
Stop
other
na
fucking
yung
reason.
He is going somewhere with Gunner again.
3. Kulang ba tayo ng guard runes talaga? Ilan ang guard runes natin?
For tomorrow.
Tama
It's
lang.
okay.
Sa rotation, tatlo.
More content for us if they keep coming. And GE and Pure Gold keeps coming.
Bago battle mo.
3.
Yung namatay na
Where?
balista. Nandito.
What? How did he die?
Mag-GGA ko ata.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Yung last time na napatay natin. Nakabal.
Be careful because they just, you know, they can just zone anytime. Pretty sure they're waiting for me to go inside Terry.
3.
They zoning.
They zoning? Full zone?
Oh, no.
No? Okay.
2. 3.
Listen, against Brawlcom, every engage counts, so we need to keep deleting whatever we're fucking playing.
3G and Gunner coming to this Teddy.
Yeah, it's fine.
Pure Gold will hold after this one.
2. 3. Next time i-prio yung mga bedrocks ko tapos yung nakalimutan ko din eh.
2.
Magdala kayong tier 8 na na hammers palagi.
Ayun nga eh, nakalimutan ko, bedrock nga pala ako yun.
Zoning, Pure Gold zone.
Dito pa si Kali.
Come right.
Pure Gold zone.
Pa-accept me.
2.
Accept.
Come right.
Ay, north, si Mugi yan.
What's that block behind me?
Outkeeper outkeeper. Mag-use niyo yung outkeeper niyo para makaano tayo kahit tayo na mabilis.
Can we catch if ever they come?
They have a 7-3 like caller.
Alright, come northwest, come northwest here. To choke.
They have a Dawn bomb squad.
Donsong bomb squad Donsong bomb squad. Paki-check niyo yan.
Pure Gold falling.
Yeah.
Abi holding front.
You're gonna engage shallow southeast. You can
Shallow
catch
southeast,
tank, look at front line. I need the GA front line.
Tatapatan mo.
went to Terry.
Yo, catch your front line if you can. Whoever.
Pure Gold Northeast pero hindi pa natin.
Yo, southeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we catch guys? Come back north. Northwest.
Ah, hindi ko na pulot.
Take the banner. Come northwest. What's that other block there? Fucking
Coalition.
Is it TFD?
Might Joker.
I will check. Yeah, take the banner.
Yo, where's GA?
Check out. If there's a
Fully
goal.
mounted. Pugo demounted.
Sige.
Someone take the
Pure Gold dismounted
G South.
Come northwest. Yung mga outkeepers ko, magano kayo para makakite.
Listen, yeah, it's
Pure Gold Northeast Pure Gold Northeast.
Yeah.
Hindi sila sumusunod.
Mounted sila
Yeah.
Joker no peace.
Yeah, come west side.
Mid Northeast.
Yeah.
Help my bomb. Come east, come northwest. Listen, come northwest. You have to come first, okay? Come first. Come west side.
Papasok sila sa ano ha?
Pumapasok sila sa bid.
Ultimate cooldown.
Bedrock.
Come south. Look south.
Just keep rapping.
Rapping rap. Yung mga outkeepers ko, magkuhan para makasunod. Nice. Southeast shallow
3, 2, 1.
Ina na GA.
Southeast shallow.
We finish fire on me.
Melancholy walking. Engaging. Ready. West side Ay, east side. Check east side. West side GE. Look west side. Someone check my south.
Careful, help my bomb.
Sige, south.
Wait, Joker helping us or what? What they like?
I don't know, man. I don't know what they're doing. Come
They came so that they don't get.
Someone check my northeast, okay?
Fina tayo here.
Yeah, just fight everyone, man. Just fight everyone. I don't know also what's happening. Just fight everyone.
I think it's playing time for the terror.
You left your bed now.
Yeah, it's fine. Somebody's holding my banner actually. Comes out. Get ready to look at east side, okay?
East side check.
Where's Spear Gold?
I'll be fronting.
Careful Terry, don't some bombs for that.
Where's Spear Gold?
Someone check my southeast.
Sige,
Oh.
wala.
I'll be checking east. Hard east ako.
On me.
they're there? What the fuck? Why they there?
Ghana is in theory.
Hey, can somebody get my banner real quick? Bruh.
Oh, chariot
Yo,
dito mo, Nick.
come right. Where? Can you catch?
Dito, gago. Mag-isa lang.
And he's running. Is that a Joker chariot?
No, pure gold.
Yeah, this one.
Mugi Joker said they hit well, so don't hit them. You hit them 5 times or something.
Okay, then don't hit Joker.
They're not trying to kill us now.
Yeah, don't hit Joker then.
There's so many chance to hit our backline, but
Auto ko lang.
Yeah. Southeast. Ay, southwest. Get ready.
Just smash this gate.
Guard on 1. Please start rotating. Start rotating.
Yeah, southeast.
It's a pure gold.
Dismounted gunner.
God
Three.
is dismounted already, okay? Careful. Get ready to go
Ready,
back to the north choke where we came from, okay?
Enjoy nga pa.
Come north,
Yeah.
come north. They're walking towards me, right? Come north. Are they?
They here.
they're trying to catch us out.
1 ulit.
Yeah, okay. Careful over the wall. They have done some bomb.
Tuna. Eh, sino na?
2.
Okay.
And 2.
Popping 3.
Careful. Invis bomb looking. Too many in the wall.
Hindi
I'm
man
playing
pa
5, southwest. Wait, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him.
Nice one.
Garden ko.
Guard dun sa.
I think that's Joker.
I will see on.
Who's this? Oh, that's
Don't
Joker.
hit
Come
Joker,
back, southwest.
Don't hit Joker.
Sino na? 1 na? 1.
2.
Ay, tuna.
Okay, sige.
Just let me 1v2 both of them.
Nagsabay
They're not
kami
gonna fight
hata.
if there's 2v2.
Sige.
Just let them come to me.
3 ako.
CD rin ako.
Joker's gonna work.
I-drop ko na lang.
Rather
Sakto.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to them.
Whiskey Station proper sa northwest.
Yo, careful. They're looking, okay?
Enjoy nga
Catch this guy. Wait.
3.
Bomb. Nobody should be dying. Okay, nice.
1 na.
Hindi man. Please atin.
Wag kayo magwalantang. 3. Wag kayo mataranta pagka nagdo-drop kayo.
They're small.
27 na.
Ano na?
2 na?
Oo, tuna.
A lot of them died. Clap. Did they get bombed?
3.
On the gate? Yo, kamis. Mata. Did they get bombed?
KFG died.
Yeah, Pure goes this one.
King of Cow.
Southeast They're trying to sandwich us, man. Pagka mamaya, I need someone to check every Zerga. May nakatingin dapat na isa.
Careful, they might be dismounted in front already, okay?
Kada isang ano.
Dismounted na ACB.
This one.
Nice.
Malaya.
Yeah, can you catch them? Can you catch them?
Ozone yun.
Motherfucking gay people.
Oh, fuck.
Mantap.
We need to bonk, man.
Come back. There you go. Bro, they have fucking 2 alliances. Just tell Joker to get out. Right, I'm gonna fight Joker also.
CDG is dismounted, careful.
Yeah, careful. Focus smashing then. Pretty sure
Focus
they're gonna
smashing.
come behind us if we are inside Terry.
First guard dun, Mugi.
Careful ah.
Second na.
Fight everyone.
Susunod.
Hey, holding not square.
Second.
Southwest, 5,
Second,
4,
second.
3, 2, 1. Southwest over the wall. Come back. Shaper.
Shaper.
Bedrock team 1. Hold down.
Okay.
Double OC.
Resetting.
We send this. Fuck it. Yo, careful.
Guard
should
na two,
be lying up.
please.
Kajak.
3.
Should I scout or should I fight with you?
Just scout the
Garden for
southeast. Just tank. Just the tank. I mean, the tank. You just stay with me.
Okay.
2 na.
Then you hold.
On the gate.
3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Northwest out dito yun na. Oh my god, the caller did not fucking die.
They're looking.
Defend over
Sige
the
lang.
wall west side.
2. Yeah. Defenses.
Demon cooldown.
3.
Yo, smash the walls also, please. Need the wall smash.
Reset.
Teka lang.
1 na.
Nag-record yung ping ko. Wait lang.
Gigi, kaya sa salo. 1.
Okay.
Pure gold level 34 dito
Two.
sa lake. Naka-hold lang.
Patringad Biganis.
They're just holding our west.
So go at like 17 or
3 cooldown.
Okay.
Who?
Ako na ulit.
Sige.
Who's that?
1 ka na ulit.
Copy.
Yo,
1.
go.
Pure gold? Yeah, it's fine. If it's pure gold, it's fine.
Guardians
if
walking
it's
in
Griffin
two.
Empire, it's gonna problem,
Two.
you know, 70 brawlers.
Your friend is stupid.
Yeah, listen, kill the guard inside first, Marlika.
Kill
Yeah,
the guards.
guards hold north side.
Nag-zone.
Okay. Tell me, come north. Yo, pure gold zone
Yeah,
to us,
Cook's looking.
Southeast gate
Come
ha.
north, come north, come
Cooks looking. Defenses.
Keep mother on me, ah.
Yeah,
Bedrock demon na. Bedrock demon.
Oo.
Cooldown.
Imo yung mga outkeepers ko, mag-ikay dun sa mga nahuli. Dali. We need to keep up.
Outkeeper to
Cook's
cooldown.
looking.
Resetting. 10 seconds bedrock cooldown.
Okay.
Just come north.
Nice shot.
Nice peel.
No tank should be dying in front line. What are they doing? Ready?
Here.
Dito na sila guys.
Come north.
South. Come north.
Okay, come north west.
CG looking.
There's a Griffin in your back.
Yeah, come north then. Come north.
Ayun na,
Screen south, please. Half screen south.
Yan na, naka-dismount na.
Yo, Bella,
Come
go.
north ah, check my south ah.
Ay, mabacking up.
Copy.
Yeah, top south.
Help south ah.
Southeast. Wait now. Come north.
The GA puta.
Nagano sila. Nag-engage sila sa south ha.
Keep coming north.
Nag-engage sa
Check
south.
nyo yung mga ano ah, yung mga direct reactive ano ko.
Deep north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep north now. One shot these guys.
Nice.
May southeast na may
Yo, listen, we're gonna push the choke. Full demon
Southeast pure gold. Southeast pure gold.
Yeah.
Demon side, full heals. Everyone listen, pass the choke. Heal everyone northwest.
Demon cooldown.
You hold
Na
them,
ano kami, na-hold kami sa south.
Roll everything inside of us. Hold the choke only northwest.
Hold
Hold the choke only
kami.
northwest. Yo, hold them on the choke. Hold them southeast. Heal up on everyone.
I'm
Kill
dead.
everything inside.
Outkeeper to
Oi. Just hold, boys. Brawl everything inside. Oi. Hold only. Yo, Marlika inside. 5. Wait, no. Cancel. Just brawl inside.
Wait ah, putangin na, heal.
Southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast choke.
Inaw.
Brave.
They're gonna push out. They're gonna push.
Now spread northwest. Thanks hold them. Spread northwest, heal up front line. Okay, spread northwest, heal up front line. Listen, just hold. Thanks hold them.
Heal in the front.
Just counter the choke. Listen, kill everything inside of us. They're walking back to the choke. Listen, regear fast. They're walking back to the choke. Yo, hold on. Yo, pingy, can you go kinda deep? Yo, everyone, just hold. Tell me when you have cooldowns. Careful.
Yeah.
I'm a cobra.
Careful front line. Just wait. Don't stay on the choke, boys. Everything inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Headbutt. Nice.
Heal me. Alright, nice. Come northwest. You, everyone, stop staying on the choke. Come northwest. Stop staying on the choke.
Cleanses. Asan yung mga ano ko, putangin na. Yeah. Reset now.
Fucking choke, man. Just hold the northwest side. Let them engage past the choke, man. Ready to hold. Let them engage past the choke. Ready defenses.
CG flying.
Someone dito, check the north side. Sinong buhay pa? Si Vecnom ba? Vecnom ba? Buhay ka?
Nasa front line ako nakatingin.
Okay, nice. Basta stay ka lang sa north side. Ako dito sa south.
Griffin north.
Griffin north. Listen, tanks walking southeast. Listen, everyone walking
Griffin north.
Walking southeast. Guard runs.
Push on. Walking deep. Deep on the backline.
Bedrock demon cooldown
3, 2, 1. Full send to the backline. On the backline. One shot.
Backline, watch. Sige. Cleanses sa harapan. Cleanses sa likod. Cleanses sa likod. Reset. Oh shit.
Push and spread. Yo.
Spam nyo yung Q nyo. Keep walking east.
Keep pushing east. Okay, defend inside.
Defensive. Fuck, namatay ako sa
Get ready,
defensive.
Marlika, look at me,
Ano
Marlika,
lang
get ready. Everything on me. 5, west side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Me. Nice, now kick kami northeast now. Yeah, kick kami east now.
East.
Kick kami northeast. Just come northeast, boys. Come any. Yo, keep peeling. Just come northeast, okay? Yo, GA, ready defense on me.
Wala, patay na ako.
Defend on me now.
Putang ina!
Defend on me now. Heal up.
Wala tayong mga
Kick kami northeast. Yo,
ba yan?
Get ready. We're gonna engage one last on me. Alright, get ready. Kick kami. Get ready. Look at me. On top of me. Everything. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Tak-
1, everything on top me now, 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 top me now.